Hello everyone, welcome back to AV Creators. Today we have a Python video for you. Uh, have you ever imagined that we could play sound in Python? Well, I didn't. So today I am going to show you how to play music in Python, and based on that I am going to create a bot that chooses music and plays it for you. So for this, first you will have to open command prompt. Click your Windows key and search for command prompt, open it, and you will have to type pip install playsound, because playsound is a module that you need in order to perform this function in Python. So pip install playsound, pip space install space playsound. That's all you have to type and it will download it for you. Then you can use playsound. In the next few seconds I'm going to display those steps on the screen, so you can take a screenshot and maybe do it off. So you must have seen in the past few seconds the steps for that. So now I'm going to write the code down and I'm going to explain it line by line. So first we have import random. So as I have said in previous videos, this will help it choose from the options we give. Then we have import time. So for the time.sleep function that I always use. And this is the new one for play sound. So this goes by from play sound import play sound. So what this does is the play sound module is not default, right? We just installed it from the command prompt. That's why it will contact that module and then it will import that function of play sound. Okay, so first let's print an introductory statement. So we can say like, hello there, sorry for the spelling, I am your one-stop music bot, I can play tunes from many artists. Introductory line can be like anything that you want. I'm putting this. Okay, so then let's put time.sleep, okay, for 3 seconds so that the user can read it. Then let us print all the artists we have. So basically we'll print the artists now and we'll give them corresponding numbers, and we'll ask the user to choose the number, and based on that the bot will play, or the code or the program will play one song of that artist. Okay, so here today we have, and then next line we'll give the person some time to read this, maybe 1 second. And then here I have just got like a few songs downloaded, so I'm just gonna write their artists. Okay, you can have anyone. Okay, and we'll assign in brackets them a number. So assign means just print it so that the user can understand. Again time.sleep 1. Okay, again print. Better that we just copy this part and paste it, so it will just be done faster, because there is not going to be any error. There is no special indentation either. So here I have my second artist, DJ Dim, and let's assign him number 2. Okay, again let's paste it. Third we have 1, and let's assign him the number 3. Alright, so this is, we have printed everything that the user needs to know, and now let's get on with the input statement that we need. So artist, I am naming this as artist so it is easier to understand it. So input in brackets. Here we will type what we have to print. So please enter the number beside the artist you want to hear to. Okay, and I will play one of his songs for you. Okay, so that's what we printed. Now artist will have whatever that number that they choose. If they choose one, it will be Patrick Yos, or number 2 DJ Freedom, or number 3 Quan. So now let's get on with the computing part, like where the code will compute and then play the music. So first we need an if statement. So if artist, so that's our variable, double is equal to, so we are checking if it's equating and we are not assigning it something new. So number 1, okay, and then colon. So here it will be Patrick Yos, right? So so first let's print here. Now you have chosen Patrick Yos. Now I will. Okay, so let's keep this, and then in the next line let's give it time dot sleep maybe 1 second. So then print hold on, I am playing one of his songs for you. Okay, now this until here it was again printing for the user. Now let's get on with the computing. So the 3 songs I have are Ocean View, Dark Side and Average. They are just names. You can have any song of any person. So I will name this as song 1 is equal to, okay, in square brackets I'm going to put it Ocean View, close quotes, comma, again open quotes, average, close quotes, comma, and we have dark side. So dark side, okay, and close the square brackets. Okay, that highlighting's like a quick gray highlight should come, which shows you that you have put the same brackets. Okay, now let's assign okay, so the song we have to play, so let's put it as play 1 is equal to, sorry about that, is equal to random dot choice, and it will select one of this, so we have to put the name of the list, which is song 1. Okay, again close the brackets. Okay, then now we'll print for the, we'll give it time dot sleep once again, 2 seconds this time, and now let's print I am playing, okay, close quotes, because this is like an assigned thing, play 1, so that will either print Ocean View, Average or Dark Side. Okay, again comma, for you in quotes. So just like to make it more immersive. So yeah, that's all for the printing stuff. Now we will have to introduce another if loop into this code, I mean under this if loop, so that if the song chosen is Ocean View, we'll have to play Ocean View. If it's Average, we'll have to play Average, or if it's Dark Side, we'll have to play Dark Side, right? So here I am just going to click enter, so to make it simple to understand. So if play 1, okay, so play 1 will be whatever song, is equal to Ocean View. Suppose it has chosen Ocean View, alright, so colon, Then now comes the new thing, play sound. So play sound, and in brackets you have to write the file name, and it's best if this file is in the same folder as your Python code is, so it becomes easier for it to read, or else you'll have to copy full full path to the file, the mp3 or wav file, and then paste it here. So I am going to save this into the same folder, so I will just quickly copy the name and paste it. Okay, so there shouldn't be any mistake, that's why I'm going to do this. You can type it if you are very confident, and if the name you have kept is simple. Okay, so here is the name of the file, .mp3. Because it is in mp3, I close the brackets. Okay, so that's it. So that will play ocean view if the selected one is ocean view. Okay, now elif, because there is another condition as well. It can be average or dark side, not just like else, because if it's not ocean view, we can't just play anything. Okay, so again play 1. If it is, yeah, so a small mistake here, we have to have it in double equal to, sorry for that, and again double equal to. This time we have average, so average. So I will complete this in front of you, play sound. Okay, then I'm going to copy the name. Wait up, copying the name, and I'm going to paste it here. So .mp3 once again, and now the third one. So if play underscore 1 is dark side, you know the routine. We again have to put play sound, and in brackets the name. So that's really simple, right? So let me copy this, and again I'm pasting it, .mp3. So in a similar way, I'm going to do this double if loop, like I'm going to do elif for the first if loop for DJ Freedom and Quan. So not to waste your time, so I will just quickly type that out, and then I will show you the final output, and then I'm going to run it and then show you as well. Alright, so let me type it. So guys, I've typed it out for artist number 2 and artist number 3. So I have also typed the correct names and all that, and here I haven't left much lines because I could understand it and I don't have to explain it to you. Like, you have understood very well, I hope you have, from this first one. Alright, so now there are 3 things I'm going to do. First is stop this background music, then I'm going to save this file and run it, and I'm gonna show you 1 or 2 songs. So I'm going to run one song from each artist, play like a few seconds of it, and then forward the rest, and then you can see. And I'm telling you, this is not edited, this is not background music. The program is going to play the music for us. Okay, so let me do all that. Alright guys, I stopped the music. I have saved the file, and now I'm gonna run it. So see, the first statement has come. Hello there, I'm your one-stop music bot. I can play tunes from many artists. And then you saw it did not come all at once. It came after a few seconds. So after 2 seconds we had today we have. Then after 1 second we had all those 3 names. And now we have that input statement we had written. So please enter the number, that one. Okay, so I will first show you one song from Patrick Yos for about 10-15 seconds, like a bit sometime, and then I will run it over again without like showing you all this succession. Just while typing the number, I will show it to you, and run one from DJ Freedom and Quan. Okay, so let's go with 1. Okay, it's playing. See, it's playing the song Average. Can you hear? Okay, you heard one song from Patrick Yours. Now let's check out DJ Freedom. See, it again chose one song and played it. Alright, now let me show you Kwon. Alright guys, we heard Patrick Yours and DJ Freedom. So now let's hear Kwon. Okay? See again, it chose one of the three and started playing it. So that's the function of the play sound module. So in a similar way, you can add like hundreds of songs depending on how much time you have, or you can just code for like one hour a day or one hour at a time and go on adding songs, and this way we can create a music bot. But you need to remember that play sound module is just for playing sounds. We can't pause them, resume them, or stop them. Alright, so if you use the play sound module, I mean the function, so it will just play the song until it ends and then do whatever is next. Okay guys.
So guys, just now my friend showed you how to make a music bot, but that bot was based on artists and it was based on random choices, wasn't it? Now I'm going to show you how to make a music bot like Spotify or Wink or any sort of music streaming service, which will basically play the song which you want it to. But this will be like an iPod where you can actually just store your favorite songs and ask it to play whichever one you like the most. So let's begin. Now the first thing you have to do is from play sound import play sound. This one was done even in the previous code. And this code is going to be completely different from the previous one, so don't use the same thing. Use a new file, and I'm going to import time also because it gives an extra touch to the code, a final touch to the code. Now let's begin with printing. Print. So welcome to AV Music. This is all up to you. You can print anything you want, however you're comfortable. Okay. Now I'm going to put a small sleep because that will be very good. And then again, print. Here are all your favorite songs. Choose one to play. Okay. Now again a small sleep. Okay, now this is all up to you. Whatever your favorite songs are, you will type them out. So mine starts from here. So just add the numbers beside beside the name of the song. Just add the number so that they can choose it by the number. Because if you're gonna type the whole song, there's gonna be a lot of complications with spelling mistakes and all of that. So I'm just going to copy all of my songs from another code and paste it here. Okay, so that's done. All of our songs, as you can see, I've added 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 over here. So you also have to do it like that so that you can decrease all complications. Time dot sleep. Now I'm going to give it a little more time so that the user can actually read all of their songs and decide which one he wants to put first. I'm going to put song is equal to input, enter the number of the song you would like to hear and we will play it for you. Now this is up to you, what you want to type, what you don't want to type. That's all up to you. You can decide it. Now we are introducing an if loop over here. Even in the previous one we introduced a if loop. If song is equal to 1, then it's going to print AV music now playing, like the theater said, now playing, so like that, AV music now playing Dynamite by TTS. Exclamation, here it goes. Because it's gonna take a little time for it to actually like start playing. It takes a little time. Play sound. Now here it's better if you just copy paste the name of the song to avoid errors. Okay, because if you're gonna type it out, it will lead to many errors. Now the same way, for the set we have to introduce another loop, but this one's now going to be if. It's going to be elif song is equal to 2, then print same thing. This one we have to print, except that there'll be a little change in the name here. What's the second song? Year 2000 by Jonas Brothers. Here it goes. And then again play sound. What is the second one? Here it is. I'm copying it from my file explorer. So here, you have to copy paste it exactly, otherwise there are gonna be problems. Now I'm going to copy paste the rest of the part of the code, because everything is going to be the same thing here. So all of these, as it is, you have to copy the names of the files, and this is of your choice. This what you're gonna write here, this is of your choice. And okay, so let me save it and run it for you. So I've opened it up and you can see the time.sleep taking effect, right? Now enter the name of the song. So which song do I want? Let's say I want this one. Can you hear it? It's playing. So that is it. That was the music bot. So that was the music bot, guys. Please, if you have found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. We will be back soon with more videos, so keep watching until then. Try out this bot. If you have any queries, email us. Bye.